Hi, in this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off music in Beaks. First things first, make sure to open your Beaks onto your Roblox, and then from in there you should be able to see this. So as you can see, it's an interactive layer onto the Beaks. So what we can do is we can head over and see here these buttons on the upper corner. You can click onto this gear icon near the shop icon, and you can see here under the music and sound it's a music volume. You can click on that and then you can adjust that to your liking as well. So you can also just toggle the volume button into your actual phone and then reduce it from there if you would want. In that way, the music volume will naturally disappear or mute through that particular case as well. So you can just click on to this music volume or reduce or increase your button or the volume on your volume button, and that should be able to actually create it right there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.